Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling location services so the system can use GPS. Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, and toggle location services on. Once done, make sure Maps or your navigation app has permission. Choose while using for normal use or always for background tracking. You also want cellular and Wi-Fi on because assisted GPS is faster when those radios are active. If battery is a concern, enable low power mode only when needed. Otherwise, keep regular power settings for accurate fixes. Now open Apple Maps or your chosen app. Tap the location arrow to center the map on you and watch for the blue dot. This shows a GPS fix. You should keep the phone unobstructed, screen up, and avoid dense urban canyons or heavy tree cover for better accuracy. Make sure the app can use motion and fitness if it requests it, because that helps smoothing. If you just turn location on, expect up to 30 to 60 seconds for the first precise fix. Begin navigation and follow turn-by-turn prompts. You'll see ETA and route updates as GPS refines your position. You can save spots by long pressing a map location or adding it to favorites for later. Use Share to send coordinates. If the GPS seems off, first toggle location services off and on, then restart the iPhone. If problems persist, reset network settings, which clears cellular and Wi-Fi caches. If errors continue, check for iOS updates because fixes often arrive in system updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.